Hello guys! You need to cut a trench for the water, for the electricity or canalization. In the hard conditions I would recommend you to use the wheel saw. But in the soft conditions like we have here today, the trencher is the right attachment. We have more models of trenchers with the digging depth from 60 centimeters up to more than 1.5 meters, with the digging width of 10 centimeters up to 30 centimeters. Here I have the Trencher LT213 with the Bobcat T450 track loader, and with this one I can go up to 90 centimeters deep. Let me show you how the trencher works and how to use it. We have the chain here with the standard teeth. By changing them you can change the width of your trench. In the front there is the blade which cleans the bottom of the trench. All the attachment could be hydraulically or mechanically side shifted, and on the side there is the auger which moves the material away from the trench. To operate the trencher you need to drive machine backwards, and the chain needs to turn in this direction. Let's jump in the cab and I will show you how to use it. So, to start, you start the engine, press to operate, activate the aux, standard flow only for this model, increase the RPM, and you start the rotation of the chain by pressing the trigger on the right joystick. And now you can slowly put it into the ground by tilting the attachment. Then you need to always lift a little bit and go deeper. You can go a little bit backward just to put also the trench cleaner inside. And when you are fully in, you can go slowly backward. The speed depends on the conditions you're cutting. In the very hard conditions you have to go very slowly. Here is pretty soft, so I can go a bit faster. So if your chain gets blocked, first try to change the orientation of the chain by holding on the left paddle, and then you go again. If it doesn't help, you need to lift the attachment. If you are on the end, keep the chain turning, lift the attachment from the ground, and then stop it. So the nice trench is cut it in few moments, and I have two tips for you today. The first one is, when you work in very rocky conditions, use the heavy-duty rock teeth, which allows you to do the job better. And second one is, when you need to work close to the walls, just remove the side auger, which allows you to work even closer. Thank you for watching, leave me the comment and see you next time.